Hi everyone. Welcome in this editional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 13th, 2020. The fourth Sudoku out of 6 is a 4-star Sudoku. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous Sudoku with 3 stars has 25 printed numbers, so probably this one should have 24. Let's check this if it's correct. We have here 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 23, plus 1 is 24. Yes, correct, 24 printed numbers. Yes, and I hope I will solve this in 30 minutes. Otherwise, the indication will be a 4-star Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku, a really 4-star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. A9 in this row, the third row, A9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In the first row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. Let me see which number I can use. How about 1, 2, 8? Yeah. We see here 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. And look, we have a 2 and an 8. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. Here, the 2, I will mark them for you. The 2 and the 8, the 2 and the 8. Alright. 3, 4, and 1. Alright. And now in this first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have in this big square the 4 and the 9, so no 4 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. Those numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. Those are pairs. 1 and 4. That means the 2, the 8, and the 6 is missing. Yes, these 3 missing numbers in this row should be the 2, the 6, and the 8. And look, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are left. Question is, shall I mark them? Because those are pairs, of course, but they are not in the same big square. Let me leave this. Yes, 2, 8. Alright, 2, 8. Yes. Let me think. 6, 8, 1. Yes, we have a 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. These 3 numbers, 2, 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. Here an 8, so no 8 there. The only place for the 8 in this big square should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. These 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers, the 5 and the 8, let me mark them. Those are pairs in one big square. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. How about 2, 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. No. Need to wait. Six, 2. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 1 digit left should be the 3. Here we have the 2 and the 6. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 6. It's easier to follow. Those are pairs. These 2 are also pairs for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column, for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then how about these 3 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a number 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7, 8, and 9 are left. 7, 8, and 9. We have an 8 and a 9 here, so this cannot be an 8 and a 9 anymore. 1 digit left should be the 7. Here we have the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. I marked them for you, so it's easier to follow. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be the 2. 2 in this last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. Then these 2 numbers in this row, for the numbers 4 and 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. These two numbers in the middle row, the missing numbers here are the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, faster than the previous one, and faster than 30 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased. So do you think this is a 4-star? Whether a 2 or 3 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you want to download the PDF file so you can make this by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we go to the 5th puzzle in this additional. So I will see you in a minute. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye bye for now.